Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and fellow global citizens, today we gather to reaffirm our commitment to a better world for all. The Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are beacon of hope, guiding us towards a brighter future where no one is left behind. In 2015, the United Nations brought together world leaders to adopt the 2030 Agenda. This bold plan consists of 17 interconnected goals, addressing the most pressing challenge facing humanity. From ending poverty and hunger to ensuring quality education and climate action. The SDGs represent a universal call to action. They recognize that the fate of our planet and its inhabitants is inextricably linked. However, we also recognize the immense work that remains to be done. The clock is ticking and the window for action is rapidly closing. I am hopeful because I see the power of collective action as governments, businesses, and civil society come together to address the complex challenges we face. I am hopeful because I believe that each and every one of us has a role to play in achieving the SDGs. So what can we do? We can start by making conscious choices in daily lives, choices that promote sustainability, equality, and justice. We can support organizations and initiatives working towards the SDGs, using our voices, skills, and resources to amplify their impact. We can demand that our leaders prioritize the SDGs, holding them accountable for the promises they made in 2015. And we can educate ourselves and others about the SDGs, spreading awareness and inspiring action. In the words of Nelson Mandela, the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Let us rise to the challenge of the SDGs. Let us work together to create a world where everyone has access to quality education, healthcare, and economic opportunities. A world where our planet is protected and preserved for future generations. A world where no one is left behind. We can do this. We must do this. Together, let us make the SDGs a reality and create a brighter future for all.